Most men simply do not know how to take a relationship with a woman to the next, more physical level. Yes, and here's the kicker. In the minds of most women, that is the worst possible thing. Either the guy has second thoughts and backs out when he should go for it, or the guy acts like a jerk when he's in heat and tries to force himself on the lady. So when you're ready to take the next step, keep these 10 intriguing recommendations in mind, and you'll be well on your way to giving her one of the most exciting, sensual experiences of her life. Today, we're going to take a look at 10 simple psychological tricks that will get any woman to sleep with you. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any videos. It is quite easy for women to attract men for sex because most guys are willing to have sex with a woman based just on her attractiveness. The majority of men, in fact about 95%, will have sex with a physically attractive woman even if they don't like her personality or have no intention of dating her. Most women, however, do not work in the same way. Most women will not have sex with a guy based solely on his appearance because they value how a guy's personality makes them feel. Most women also want a sense of buildup of sexual tension, which can take minutes, hours, or days, depending on the situation, before they feel ready to release that tension through kissing and then intercourse. So here's what you should do to get a woman to sleep with you. Dress to kill. Be presentable at all times. You can't get away with looking sloppy or unclean, no matter how laid back of a person you are. To look well without resorting to formal attire is a worthy goal. If you give your appearance and your sense of style just a little bit more care, you'll be able to pull off the casual look just as well. You want to be the guy she glances at, and every time she does, you want to make her weak in the knees. Have great hygiene. Okay, gentlemen, the number one tip for rapidly attracting a female: smells nice. I don't even mean smell great, just at least make sure you smell okay. Take a shower and massage body soap all over yourself, twice. Shampoo your hair, dry it off, apply deodorant, and put on clean clothing, and you're done. There's no need to douse yourself in half a gallon of Axe body spray like a middle schooler in love with a lady he likes. All you need is to smell presentable. You can, however, purchase some fragrance and spray one squirt, a maximum of 2, on your own, not on your clothes. I propose wearing one on your wrist and another on your neckline. And this is all it takes to smell good, and girls are always drawn to guys that smell well. This trick alone will more than increase your odds of getting a date with a girl. Go slow. Men frequently make the fatal error of moving directly from having no physical contact with a woman to going all the way and expecting her to do the same. This is a dangerous and unhealthy pattern of behavior. The issue is that it frequently has the opposite effect, leaving you with feelings of shame and unhappiness. Instead, you should ease into things gradually. While you're opening the doors for her, lightly touch the small of her back. As you make your way down the street, gently take her arm in your own and hold it there. These sweet and simple actions can help her relax and put her mind at ease. Share a whisper. You may not realize it, but the female ear is one of the most erogenous areas of the body. Why not take advantage of it? Instead of approaching her and kissing her, get near to her and murmur something in her ear. It may be anything. A few words of romantic sounding nothings, a secret, a small jest, it doesn't matter. Simply sneak up close to her ears and whisper something intriguing to her. Make sure your speech is quiet and comforting and that your lips are lightly brushing across her earlobe flesh. Try softly inhaling while saying the words. This will undoubtedly send chills down her spine. Use anticipation. Teasing a woman is a fantastic method to develop anticipation and sexual tension. Here's an interesting method. Tell her in a flirty tone that she should be wary of guys like you, since she's a nice, simple girl. Now, if you played your cards correctly all night, she would be boisterous in her remarks and either claim she has nothing to be afraid of or she isn't half as nice as you think. Now, it's all about pushing her to the limit by tempting her with your gaze, your conversation, and the strategic use of your fingers to create anticipation and the ideal mood for a night of sexual ecstasy. Look her in the eyes, keep your gaze gentle and low, and gently touch her hair and caress her cheek. Get her to turn it on. Let's see if you're up for the challenge. The kiss test. If a female is willing to be kissed and responds positively to being kissed, there is a good possibility that she would also be willing to take things to the next level sexually. Try reading her mood by lightly brushing your lips against hers while you are at the movies or in your car to get a better idea of how she is feeling. Keep in mind that you should use your kisses as a teaser if you're planning on making this night your special one. Don't go crazy and try to push your tongue in her mouth. She won't appreciate it. Act in a really carefree manner, give her a little kiss, and keep pulling back while maintaining a sly grin on your face. Drive her mad with your passion, and her readiness will see to it that the rest is taken care of. Take her to your place. Please do not book any hotels or guest houses. Please bring a girl to your apartment if this is the first time you've put her to bed. This will go a long way toward putting her at ease and helping her feel comfortable. It's possible that the intimate experience will be ruined if you have it in an impersonal hotel room. Massage her. Your girl may be a little uneasy about the possibility of sleeping with you. It could be her first time or could be yours. So don't be in a rush to get to bed. Offer her a gentle massage to warm things up and get her back in the mood. Every woman enjoys a massage because it's calming, it feels wonderful, and it puts her in a very receptive mindset. Begin with a gentle hand massage. Take things a step further if you think she's loving it. Obtain some oil. If scented massage oil is not available, touch her neck, and if she loosens a strap or two, her lower back with Johnson's baby oil or something similar. To create that beautiful mood, light a few candles and play some gentle music. Massaging her is an excellent technique to help her get out of her clothes without making her feel ashamed or uneasy. Make her touch you. Guys are known to freak out when a girl asks them to stop as they are going to escalate the situation. It's true that women grow nervous when they feel suffocated and overpowered, so instead of rushing her, encourage her to make the next move. While kissing her, slowly place her hand on your leg close to your Rock of Gibraltar. Don't be surprised if she takes things any further from there. Don't do the unspeakable. There are a few things that a terrific guy like you should never consider doing. Never take advantage of a girl who is inebriated or high on drugs, and never push yourself on her. If you even consider performing one of these things, you should get professional assistance. Using all the excellent movements you've learned, you'll be able to effortlessly take things to the next level with a woman in a way she'll like and feel comfortable with. You can treat your girlfriend to a night of romance and passion if you start slowly and progress from one step to the next. So the next time you're drawing up a roadmap to better sex, remember these tips. Go, boys, and get some action. And after that, do tell us if the tips were helpful. And share any other thoughts you may have with us in the comments below.